Imagine a world where people didn't stand in neat, organized lines, where crowds gathered in messy circles, everyone pushing forward, unsure whose turn it really was. Believe it or not, this used to be normal. The culture of standing in straight, disciplined queues is actually a surprisingly modern idea, and its story is deeply connected to the rise of modern society. The idea of lining up really took shape during the Industrial Revolution in Europe. Before factories, most people lived in villages, traded locally, and worked in small groups. There was no need for long lines. But once cities exploded with millions of people and factories began employing thousands of workers, order was suddenly necessary. Trains, ticket counters, ration shops, banks, all of these places needed a fair way to manage crowds. And so, the queue was born. One of the earliest documented examples comes from 19th century Britain, especially during wartime rationing. Food was limited, and fairness became critical. Instead of the strongest or loudest person pushing ahead, the rule became simple: first come, first served. Standing in line became not just about order, but about equality. Everyone waited, rich or poor, powerful or ordinary. In that line, everyone was the same. The English language even created the word queue to describe it, and slowly the practice spread through colonies, cities, and modern institutions. Schools taught children to line up. Train stations painted marks on the floor. Cinema halls guided people into rows. Over time, society began to view queuing as a symbol of discipline and respect. But queues are not only about rules, they also reveal culture. In some countries like Japan or the UK, standing in line is almost a sacred ritual. People wait calmly, silently, even during emergencies. It reflects a collective mindset, thinking about others, not just yourself. In other places, queues can still be more chaotic. Lines are there, but sometimes negotiations, shortcuts, or impatience creep in. And that too reflects society, its urgency, struggle, or informal culture. Technology also changed queue culture. Think about airports, hospitals, and banks. Tokens, digital boards, and online waiting systems all evolved from the simple idea of "your turn will come." Today, we even queue virtually, booking tickets online or waiting in app waitlists. The line now exists inside screens. There's also psychology behind it. Queues give us certainty. Even if we wait longer, at least we know the process is fair. Without lines, chaos creates stress and conflict. With lines, order creates calm. And yes, we also feel annoyed when someone breaks the line because it violates that invisible social contract. Interestingly, queues also became symbolic during crises. During pandemics, relief distribution, or fuel shortages, lines become images of society under pressure. They remind us that resources are limited, but fairness must remain. So when did queuing become a culture? It happened slowly as humans realized that respect, fairness, and patience help big societies function smoothly. Lines are not just about waiting, they are about trust. They show that we believe rules will work, that our turn matters, that everyone deserves equal access. Today, we stand in line at grocery stores, bus stops, ticket counters, banks, immigration desks, and theme parks. Sometimes we're bored, sometimes we're frustrated, sometimes we scroll our phones endlessly while waiting. But behind that simple act lies a powerful story. The story of civilization learning discipline. So next time you stand in a queue, look around for a moment. You are part of a global social system that took centuries to shape. A quiet agreement between strangers that says, we may come from different places, backgrounds, and dreams, but in this line, we wait together, and everyone gets a fair chance.